Okay, so for that first equation, it had a y-intercept of 6 at the back, so I'm going to plot that first. The slope, whenever there's not a number, we've said put a 1. So it's telling me to rise -1 and run 1. So from this point, because my x and y axes are both counting by 1s, I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. All the way so I can draw a good line that goes through those points. For my second equation, it has a y-intercept of 5. So I'm going to start in between the 4 and 6. Its slope says rise -1, so I'm still going to go down 1, but the run is 2. So whenever I do that, from my 5, down 1, right 2, there's the point they're going to have in common. Do it again. So I could draw that line. Hopefully whenever you graphed yours before playing this video, you got an intersection point of 2, 4. Since this was a word problem and it had meaning attached, they're going to ask this question: how many games of bowling and how many games of laser tag will Marquise play? So, if you don't know what your X and Y stand for, you have two options. I can look and see what they labeled on the X and the Y axis, or I could go back to that part that we highlighted. X is the bowling games and Y is the laser tag games. So I had 2 for X and 4 for Y. So 2 bowling games, 4 laser tag games. Okay, make sure that this note page is glued into your journal.